10 superfoods to eat daily for optimal health. Eating a wide variety of power foods is the best way to ensure optimal health. Try to eat the following foods every day, and you'll check just about all of the nutritional boxes. Number 1. Blueberries are a top antioxidant. Blueberries also defend against urinary tract infections, thanks to the antioxidant epicatechins. Epicatechins prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall. Blueberries are also high in water, providing hydration to the skin and cells of the body. Eating half a cup of blueberries satisfies one fruit and vegetable serving per day. Number 2. Oats for fiber intake. Oats are also a great source of quality plant protein, helping with muscle growth and repair. Each half-cup serving provides a whopping 10 grams, and many studies have shown eating oatmeal reduces the risk of heart disease. Power up your day and your body with a bowl of oats and breakfast aside. It's an excellent pre- or post-workout meal. Number 3. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are loaded with antioxidants quercetin and catechin, which protect our cells and help reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. The apple and skin are higher in fiber than a lot of other fruits, which can help with weight loss by improving satiety. Apples taste fabulous, are filling, and provide energy in addition to the overwhelming antioxidant health benefits. Number 4. Green tea increases metabolism. Green tea contains a powerhouse of antioxidants. Its antioxidant values are shown to be higher than those measured in fruits and vegetables. Green tea contains high doses of catechin, an antioxidant shown to help prevent cell damage in the body. Other health benefits include increased metabolism for weight loss. Enjoying high tea just became sweeter, just remember to keep it green. Number 5. Ground flax seeds reduce inflammation. Flax seeds are not only a good source of fiber, but also loaded with alpha-linolenic acid. Alpha-linolenic acid is an essential fatty acid shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Flax seeds also contain lignans, a type of plant compound known as polyphenols. These precursors contribute to reduced rates of certain hormone-related cancers. Number 6. Yogurt improves gut bacteria. Yogurt is known for its probiotic or live beneficial bacteria. Yogurt is shown to reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract. It also helps maintain stable pH levels in the body. Eating yogurt is indicated to boost our immune system and provide protection against diseases like cancer. Number 7. Broccoli is the antioxidant king. Research has labeled broccoli the king of cancer prevention. Research has shown sulfur compounds in broccoli signal our genes to boost production of detoxifying enzymes. These enzymes potentially attack cancer-causing compounds. Number 8. Olive oil for heart health. Olive oil is considered a healthy dietary fat, was shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. The primary fat found in olive oil is monounsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acids have been shown to lower total cholesterol and help stabilize blood clotting. Olive oil has been linked to lowered insulin levels, blood sugar control. Research has shown a great benefit to those suffering from type 2 diabetes. Number 9. Beans are brain food. Beans are an excellent source of soluble fiber and good carbohydrate to eat daily. Black beans contain anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds shown to improve brain function. They contain the highest plant protein rating, but must be combined with a grain such as brown rice to create a complete protein. Number 10. Cinnamon is a healing spice. Cinnamon is also indicated to have antibacterial, antiparasitic, and antifungal properties. Plus, it's high in manganese, iron, calcium, and fiber, all beneficial to the body. The health benefits of this super spice continue to be revealed through ongoing studies, but it has long been used in traditional medicine. Hope you like the video. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.